Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and namaste. My name is Mini Radha Nair. I'm one of the MCs for this event, and our MC team includes Sherry Lister Booker, Dave Menon Madhavan, and Ved Menon Madhavan. Welcome to the Kathak Rangmanch of Aparna Girija Menon, a celebration of artistry, tradition, and years of dedication. This evening, we gather to witness not just a performance, but a journey. One shaped by tremendous discipline, guided by a benevolent guru, supported by loving family, and inspired by a divine art form that have traveled centuries. Think of this as a coming-of-age ceremony for an artist, where she transforms from a disciple to a performer. The word Kathak comes from the Sanskrit word Katha, meaning story. Originally, Kathakas were traveling storytellers who brought epics and Puranas and legends to life through music, movement, and expression. And even today, every spin, every glance, every rhythmic syllable tells a story. So sit back, immerse yourself, and allow the language of rhythm and grace to speak directly to your hearts. Before we start, a couple of house rules. Please keep your mobile on silence and also exit the auditorium during the break for a performance. In Indian tradition, every auspicious occasion begins with invoking divine blessings and lighting the ceremonial lamp, a timeless symbol of wisdom dispelling darkness, the triumph of knowledge over ignorance. To invoke that spirit and sanctify the evening, we are delighted to welcome Gauri Krishnan. Currently an 8th grader, Gauri is a gifted young artist pursuing both musical and dance traditions of South India. Her musical journey began at the age of 6 under the loving guidance of her mother, Srimati Soumya Krishnan. She is presently a disciple of noted Carnatic music scholar Srimati Namita Dev from Kerala. Gauri balances her passion for Carnatic music, Bharatanatyam, and academics with remarkable grace and dedication. As Gauri's melodious voice fills the auditorium with devotion and divine grace, we invite Guru Rita Sharma, Aparna Menon, and her family to come forward for the traditional lighting of the lamp.
गणेश शरणं गजानन श्री गणेश शरणं गजानन श्री गणेश शरणं गजानन देवर मुनिवर पणियुं दयाकर श्री गणेश शरणं गजानन देवर मुनिवर पणियुं दयाकर श्री गणेश शरणं गजानन देवर मुनिवर पणियुं दयाकर श्री गणेश शरणं नामने प्रणव रूपने பாதம் நம்பும் ராமதாச வரதனே மோதக பிரியனே கௌரி சுத்தனே பாதம் நம்பும் ராமதாச வரதனே மோதக பிரியனே கௌரி சுத்தனே ஆதிதேவன் உன்னருள் இல்லையேல் ஆதிதேவன் உன்னருள் இல்லையேல் ஆதிதேவன் உன்னருள் இல்லையேல் வேடனுமாளும் செய்தொழிலுண்டோ ஆதிதேவன் உன்னருள் இல்லையேல் வேடனுமாளும் செய்தொழிலுண்டோ ஸ்ரீ கணேச சரணம் கஜானன தேவர் முனிவர் பணியும் தயாகர ஸ்ரீ கணேச சரணம் 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 Thank you.
Thank you, Gauri.